How's it going, everybody? I'm Dr. Jon Clayton, your Layton chiropractor here in Utah at Supra Chiropractic. So in today's video, I'll be showing you some adjusting, kind of going through the whole entire body. But then we have a main focus on the shoulder blade area for this patient. So with the shoulder blade area, we'll do some scraping, we're going to do some tapping with the chisel and the hammer, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Before we get into the video though, I want to invite you guys over to check out the new Instagram page that I have created. It is mainly focused on the scraping, the cupping, all the stuff that we do here that's a little bit different than the chiropractic care, mainly for athletes, injuries, scar tissue, anything like that. It's mainly focused to show you guys all the stuff and kind of the before and after effects, or mainly just what it looks like to go through that healing process. So I hope you guys check out that page, leave it a follow, like the page, check it out and see. It's kind of a little bit more on the gruesome side, so for all of you guys to check out more of the stuff that's not gruesome, check out my regular Instagram page for Jon Clayton, but give the Doctor of Symmetry page a follow, and hope you guys enjoy this video.
Just relax there for me.
Oh, sorry, I'm so...
Oh, you're good.
Oh.
Perfect. Deep breath in here.
Oh, sorry, that side is Oh, I'm like scared as we get up here.
Oh yeah, it gets tight, yeah.
Sorry.
Here's the tight one. So we're going to work on this one real quick for you. Alright, so one of the ways we're going to first loosen it is we're going to come right here and just kind of use the head to help us there. Take a deep breath in here, all the way out. And we're going to hit it from this angle here. Deep breath in here, all the way out. There we go. A little bit of a stinger.
Yeah.
And then deep breath in here. Deep breath in here.
Alright, so hard not to...
Oh, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Deep breath in here. All the way out. So we're going to do first ribs up here. Deep breath in here. All the way out. Perfect. Deep breath in here. All the way out. Gnarly.
Sorry, the honey probably doesn't make it better.
Yeah, it probably makes the pops louder, honestly. Okay. Deep breath in here. All the way out. So now we're going to chisel this out. So bring this arm back here for me. Let the elbow drop down. There you go. Be a little bit tender. And switch arms for me. super tight up there. Bend this top leg here. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Good. Lay on your other side. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Then we're gonna stack this over there. One more here. Then lay on your back for me. So now we're gonna set these hips for you. Then relax there. There we go. Let that relax there. Relax there. There it is. There we go. Perfect. Let that relax there. Hey, we all do it, right?
I'm so busy. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Trying to relax.
Oh, you're good. Let that relax there.
Whew.
And take a deep breath in here. All the way out.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tapping, the scraping, and a lot of the clicks and pops that we got from our patient here. It's so fun to make these videos for you guys. I really enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, like the video, and then look out for more stuff that we have for you this year. And for Supra Chiropractic, you know what it is, you know how it goes. We've got your back, and everything else. Have a good one, guys.